Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explore the Elitehood 8-inch ring light. It's a stand-up in a ring light. And we just finished a quick review that we'll put a link in the top right-hand corner of an equivalent, well, not equivalent, but a similar product, which is this guy, the iVict desk lamp. So if you're interested in that, just click the link in the top right-hand corner. Let's get on to this guy. That's what's in the box. There's nothing interesting on the box to show you. Little instruction manual, nothing too exciting. There's the ring. The interesting part of this ring is that it tilts. At maximum, this distance is 18 inches and this is 25 inches. Let's see what the mount works like. I have a small old Samsung S5 here. Shocker, that fits in there no problem. And I have a monster Samsung F21 Fan Edition. Yeah, no problem at all. And we can rotate that, set it to wherever you want. Okay, now as far as power goes, you can use a regular wall charger, or you can just plug it into a USB port on your computer, which is what we're going to do right now. This also ships with a very handy little Bluetooth camera remote that you can use to run your phone. There's a little power switch on the side, power it up, press the button, and off you go. Now, it also ships with a replacement C2032 battery, which you don't need right away. Obviously, it's working there. We don't have a use for this, but many people will. It also ships with a little USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, which again, we don't have a use for, but lots of people will. Okay, let's plug this in to a laptop, and I'll turn it on its side so it doesn't get right in the camera face here. Woo, that's pretty bright. Yeah, okay, and I'll just go through the settings quickly. There we go, so you get the idea. It's pretty customizable. Here's your different tones. I'm going to turn that off now. Yeah, so this unit cost us $20. Was it worth $20? Oh yeah, this is metal. This feels very solid. This is tiltable, like we said. We didn't even know it came with a remote. That's, you know, maybe we will find that handy and we'll use it in the future. And for $20 Canadian, so for easy math, say 15 US, that's a pretty good lamp. Now, if you think the iVic one is more useful for you because it's got the clamp on the bottom, and it can also just sit there like that. Just simply click the link in the top right-hand corner. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you want to get a hold of us, you can directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or a comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because it's YouTube and everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.